Whoops, pardon me.
What do you want?
Sorry, brothers. Didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. It sort of runs in the family. Or jumps in the family. Depending on which way you...
What do you want?
Want?
Well, go on. Get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There. I hope you feel better now.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hang on a minute. Do you mind if I just hop off and come back on again? I mean, who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There. See? I mean, connect the dots. If we're talking ugly, they don't come more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your problem is. You've been preening yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You got down and enough. Oh, come on. I'm getting nothing here. Come on. Give us a smile.
I want to be left on my own.
Now that's just downright antisocial. Hang on. I got a human in my throat. Well, I know how you feel, but you mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. I just say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince in frog's clothing, and one day someone's gonna come along and kiss me, and release my inner beauty. Then I say to myself, now get real. Who wants to snog a frog? You know what our trouble is?
What?
Our image isn't in vogue. That's all. It's a question of taste. But you mark my words. One day, ugly will be it. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport each season's look will fall flat on their ass. Give mother what it's called. Fashion thing, fickle thing, just you wait and see. Come when we're in style, and I guarantee out there, someone's gonna love you, someone's gonna love you, warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fauna, someone's gonna fall for you, though I won't admit acid. Trust me, I'm a plastic in my pond. If this old frog going, time to have a wake-up call, 'cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love you, warts and all. Tell 'em, kids, somewhere out there, we don't know where, someone will care. They're gonna love you, warts and all. Somewhere out there, we can't say where, but someone is gonna fall for you. Just think, whenever you need boosting, one day you'll be roosting. With army, soon you'll be roosting. Though it may take some time to find out, when you think you'll have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love you, someone's gonna love you. Out there, someone's gonna love you, someone's gonna love you. Warts and all, they're gonna love you, warts and all. Out there, in the mighty puddle, so we diddle. Chances small, it's you. Just think, whenever you need boosting, one day you'll be roosting. With army, soon you'll be roosting. Though it may take some time to find out, when you have a ball, we know you're gonna have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love you. Out there somewhere someone's gonna love you.
yard. Remember to call in. I'd love you to meet my family.
Well, I hope you find